The PC industry is out in full force here at Computex 2019, showing off its strength. And I do mean quite literally strength here. Chip makers across the board have been unveiling new chipsets, and NVIDIA has announced the new Quadro RTX 5000 chipsets, but the mobile versions of them that now fit into laptops. And of course, PC makers from around the world are eager to show off their systems with the new chipset. And I'm here at Acer's booth checking out the ConceptD 7 notebook with the Quadro RTX 5000 inside. Now, if you'll remember, in April, Acer already announced the ConceptD lineup with the ConceptD 5, 7, and 9 laptops. They are very pretty machines designed to be very powerful and targeting specifically creators who want to do their work on beefy machines but don't want to shell out for something that looks as ostentatious as, say, a Predator gaming laptop. So the ConceptD 7 that we see over here aesthetically doesn't look any different. It's really pretty. It's an all-white body that feels very sleek and doesn't have that much difference other than the new Quadro RTX 5000 chipset. Now, we got our hands on with one back at the New York press conference, but we did try to push this unit here at Computex to the limit to see if the Quadro RTX 5000 chip really makes all that much of a difference. Unfortunately, though, there weren't any games installed. Acer didn't have any real powerful gaming demos available for us to test out. Really, all we were able to do was to try to muck around with a transformer bot design on Autodesk Maya. Now, I'm not an expert in Maya, so I really wasn't able to do any serious sort of workflow here, but under my light testing, the machine did hold up. I mean, nothing really stalled or stuttered, and we also put up YouTube videos and worked through some folders, and as expected, the machine held up and there was no lag. Since this is a rig for creators that need a lot of power, it makes sense that the ConceptD 7 comes equipped with a 9th generation Intel Core i7 chip as well as 32 whole gigs of RAM. Now, as a refresher, ConceptD as a series is built on 3 pillars: design, which we talked about already, but also low noise level and high color accuracy. And one thing about the ConceptD 7 with Quadro RTX 5000 is that its screen was surprisingly good. I looked at it from a distance away at an off angle and could still see everything really clearly with no glare, despite there being obviously very harsh conference lights pointing at my face and at the screen. So I'm so far really impressed with the display technology at work here. It's also Pantone certified and produces about 100% of the Adobe color spectrum. So this is really great for anyone doing any graphics work or video color editing to work on. Finally, on to the principle of low noise level. The ConceptD series, and therefore the ConceptD 7 itself, will hit no higher than 40 decibels of noise, which Acer said at its press conference earlier this year. It's about the same noise level as a library. I'm not particularly bothered by a loud laptop, but for those of you who are easily embarrassed when you're using your laptops in public, this shouldn't be too loud. It's hard to verify that here at such a noisy hands-on area, so we'll really have to take one home to our offices for review to really check that out for ourselves. So stay tuned for that and for all of the news out of Computex 2019 here at Engadget.